In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access a Fortinet access point. Whether you're setting up a new device or managing an existing network, accessing your Fortinet access point is an essential task. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, make sure you have access to your Fortinet account. It's important to be logged in so you can access all the necessary settings and configurations. If you haven't yet signed in, go ahead and do that now. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top of the interface. You'll notice a search icon located here, which is your gateway to easily finding different settings and options within the Fortinet system. Click on this search icon to open up the search bar. This feature is incredibly useful for navigating Fortinet's comprehensive suite of tools without getting overwhelmed. In the search bar, type in access point. This will help you quickly locate the specific section you need without having to scroll through multiple menus. After typing in access point, you should see it appear as a selectable option. Click on access point to proceed. Next, you will be directed to the access point settings page. Here, you'll find various options and configurations specific to your access points. It's crucial to understand what each setting does, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout and options available. Among the options, look for Secure Wireless Access Points. This is where you can manage secure connections and ensure that your network remains protected. Click on Secure Wireless Access Points to explore the security configurations for your network. Now that you're in the Secure Wireless Access Point section, you can view and manage different security settings to ensure that your network is operating efficiently and securely. It's advisable to periodically review these settings to maintain optimal security. You can make adjustments as needed, whether it's updating security protocols or managing access permissions. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to accessing your Fortinet access point. Remember, keeping your devices and network secure is a continuous process, so revisit these settings regularly to ensure everything stays up to date. Thanks for tuning in to this guide. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials on managing your tech and network solutions. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below, and we'll see you in the next video.